War Day number 6, 7, and 9. 679 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 5th, 2023. No, correction, 2024. Yes, 3 days in New Year. Yeah. In 2024, yeah. We have here in this daily newspaper 3 regular puzzles. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku, and 2 puzzles are left. The 4 star Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. Yes, the binary puzzle with 3 stars. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Too much for me. And so I will continue with the 4 star Sudoku. This will be number 7727. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. Usually, the 4 stars puzzle in the additional has 24 printed digits. This one has 25. Should be a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve a 3 stars puzzle. If it's a 4 stars, if it's really a 4 stars with 24 printed digits, then I need 30 minutes or more. Yeah. Alright. So let's get started. Oh, 2 minutes already passed. Alright. Okay. We have 8 in this row, the 8 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need a 8 there, need a 5 there. Then need a 2 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 9 here. Alright. I'm thinking 3 3. Need a 5 5. Should be there. Well. We have a pair. The 5 and the 6 in the last column. The 5 and the 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Alright, 7 and 7 here. Alright, so we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the last row, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 1. Need a 9. Need a 7 here. 7. Yeah. Let me see. 1. Yeah, this should be the 9. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. two of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1 and a 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this row, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those one of these three boxes. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those. Here we have 1, so this should be the 7 and 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9 then. Okay, 3 and 4. Okay, and now need a 9 there, need a 9 here. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Alright, in this row, we need a 9. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see a 9 in one of those two boxes. In the last column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for 9 should be there. 9, 9. Alright. And now. Need to think. 6, 5. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So here, 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 4, okay. Yeah. Need a 7 here, 7, and I need a 3 here, okay. I need to think. How about the 8? Need an 8 here. Need 8 there. Yeah. Need a 2 here. Need a 7 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 2, need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 7 also. 2, 7. And need a 8, 2, 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. 4. Need a 4 there. Oh, here. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in the second row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for 4. Could be here, could be there. No 2 here. Well, I'm thinking. How about the 5, 5? Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 8 here. Need a 8 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And what are these 3 missing numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 3, 5, 9. So the 1 should be here. The 2 should be here. 1, 2, and I need a 7 here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row, so no 3 and a 5 in these two boxes. 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those. 4 and 9. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. One box left in this middle row for number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing here, yeah. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, alright. Then need a 9 here. 9 there, okay. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Well. Need a 5 here, need an 8 there. 8, need an 8 here. Well. Thinking. 1. Okay. Need more numbers here. 5. Oh, 5. Yeah, should be the 5. Yeah. 4. 4. Overlook this 4. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We already have a 4 here in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left, the 4, it should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left, the 4, it should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7. 7 should be here in this column. So here we have 7 and a 1 left, okay. I need a 1 here, need a 3 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So the 1 and 8 are left. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. 7 and a 1, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left of the 7 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. I marked these 3 boxes with 2, 7, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in the middle column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row. Only place left the 5 should be there. Do we have all the 5s? Nope. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Yeah. Now. Need a 1, need a 9. Need a 9 here. 9 and the two missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. I have 2 missing numbers here now. I believe the 3, 5, 9, but 5 we already have, so the 3 and a 9 are left. 3 and a 9 in the first column. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. And then 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 4 and 9, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. I find out 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 2 minutes more than the previous Sudoku. But we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. Well, I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.